Imagine I hand you $5 right now. What do you think you could do with it? Most people would probably laugh and say, you can't start a business with just $5. And that's exactly where most people are wrong. Because many people believe starting a business requires thousands of dollars, a fancy office, expensive equipment, or a large team. But the truth is, businesses don't start with money. They start by solving a problem. Today, I'll show you 3 realistic business ideas that you can start with as little as $5. But before we begin, let's make one thing clear. This is not a get rich overnight video. There are no magic tricks here. However, if you're willing to put in the time and effort, this small amount of money could become the first step toward earning your first income. Let's get started. Business idea number 1. Sell digital services right now. Thousands of small businesses are posting on social media every single day. The problem? Not everyone knows how to create attractive content. That's where the opportunity comes in. If you can use free tools like Canva to design simple social media posts, flyers, or promotional graphics, you can offer your services to local businesses, restaurants, or online stores. Many people think, I'm not an expert. But here's the reality. Small businesses often don't need perfect designs. They just need someone who can help them consistently create content. Your $5 might be spent on internet access, learning resources, or building a small portfolio. And landing even one client could help you recover that investment. Business idea number 2. Social media management. Today, almost every business has a Facebook page, Instagram account, or some kind of online presence. But many business owners simply don't have time to manage them. They're busy running their business. You can help by scheduling posts, writing captions, responding to comments, and keeping their pages active. The best part, you don't need an office. You don't need expensive equipment. A smartphone and an internet connection are enough to get started. To find your first client, reach out to local businesses and show them how you can help improve their online presence. Getting your first customer may be difficult, but once you gain experience and results, referrals can bring in more clients. Business idea number 3. Small-scale reselling. Let's say you find a product that's already in demand. It could be phone accessories, small gadgets, or everyday items. Instead of buying large amounts of inventory, you can start small. Find customers first. Then purchase the product from a supplier after receiving an order. This reduces your risk because you're not spending money on products that may never sell. In fact, many successful online businesses started exactly this way. Small profits eventually turned into larger opportunities. Now here's the most important part. When people don't start a business, they often blame a lack of money. But in many cases, money isn't the real problem. The real problem is fear. Fear of failure, fear of what others might think, or waiting for the perfect time to start. But the truth is, the perfect time never arrives on its own. You have to create it. Maybe your first attempt won't succeed. Maybe it will take weeks to find your first customer. Maybe you'll make mistakes along the way. But every mistake teaches lessons that no book or video ever can. So ask yourself this question. Do you really lack money, or are you simply waiting for the courage to begin? Because every successful business started with a small first step, and your first step might begin with just $5. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us which business idea you try first.